This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to convert files to PDF on mobile. You can easily turn documents, images, or web pages into a portable document format using your phone. We will cover built-in options for quick conversions and explore helpful third-party applications. This process ensures your documents look consistent across different devices, making sharing straightforward and reliable. You will learn to efficiently manage your digital documents on the go. Many mobile devices provide convenient built-in tools for PDF creation. For instance, when you share a document or web page, look for an option to print to PDF or save as PDF in the sharing menu. Additionally, your phone's camera can double as a document scanner. It captures a clear image of a physical document, automatically crops it, and converts it into a digital PDF with just a few taps. For more robust features, consider downloading a dedicated third-party PDF converter app. Applications like Adobe Scan, Microsoft Lens, or Google Drive provide powerful tools for converting various file formats. These apps let you merge several documents into one PDF, extract text, or even add a digital signature. Many offer a free version with essential features, while premium versions unlock additional advanced options for professional use. Sometimes, an online PDF converter is the quickest solution, especially if you have limited storage on your phone. Websites like Smulpt or I Love PDF allow you to upload a file from your device, convert it in just a few seconds, and then download the resulting PDF. Remember to always use a secure Wi-Fi connection and trustworthy websites to protect your sensitive information during the conversion process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.